In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Rockstar Games Error 1002. First thing you're going to do is go to this PC, and here you want to go down and find Documents. So here's Documents, right click on it, go to Properties, go to Location, click Restore Default, click Apply and OK. After that, try restarting your computer and see if it works. So let's say you're still having issues, then what you're going to do is you want to go to this PC and go to your users. So if you go to C and go to users here, users, and go to your user, you should be able to see a documents folder like this one. If you don't, then you're just going to have to create one. So right click, new, and here you'll be able to create one. So just create folder and call it documents, and then press enter. So as you can see, I can't, so I'm just gonna, for example, create one documents. I'm gonna just write SS as an example, but if you don't have one, you should be able to create one just normally without having to write SS. But I'm just showing this as an example. So you would go to here, you would copy this location, and here now you would close this, go to this PC again, and here you would go and open documents, the same one you opened before. So this is the one. So you would right click, properties, you would go to location, and you would just paste it like here. And then you would click apply and OK. And this, after this, you should make sure that you restart your computer and try and see if this fixes your issue. If you're still having errors, try to go to CMD, go to right click, run as administrator, click yes. Type in sfc/scan now and press enter. So this will load and scan your computer. So wait for it for a few minutes, and once it's done, now you want to run the second command, ipconfig /flush DNS. So ipconfig /flush DNS and press enter and wait for it. So once you do this, now you can close this, restart your computer, and hopefully your issue is fixed.